ప్రోగ్రామ్ స్పెషాలిటీ ఏంటిది? అండ్ దీనివల్ల మీరు నేర్చుకున్నది ఏమన్నా ఉందా? అండ్ దీనివల్ల యూజెస్ ఏంటి? ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
I'll speak in English. Hello everyone, I am Vijayalakshmi Sagar from Pallavi Model School, Tirmalgiri. I'm the principal there. So today we are here at VIHE, Vivekananda Institute of Human Excellence. Already we have been trained with 6 values, and now we are here to be getting trained for 4 other values. And I am very glad to relate this to our upcoming event, which is Saksham. Saksham is an event which we are conducting in our school. It's a conclave where we are planning to bring in the NCRT, the CBSE people and the SCRT people, and people from Ministry of Education, and educators from different parts of the country. And also we are planning to bring in the counselors and the parents who have children with special needs. When I'm saying children with special needs, I think the 4 values that we have learned today, I can easily connect. Because first thing is we need to have Shraddha, and that's very important, because if you don't have any Shraddha towards doing a particular task, we will never be successful. And for this particular dealing with CWS in children, lot of that is required. That is devotion. And we want to inculcate that devotion in our teachers and also in the students. Therefore, we have started with this Saksham program. And second is Jignasa. Because I had students who had this difficulties, I had the curiosity and inquisitiveness to learn about these children and help them. And that is the reason we have actually worked on a CWSN program, and we have started off with inclusive education. And then again, coming to Abhihi, the next value, fearlessness. I want these children to come out fearless into the society, and this value will particularly help them become strong, independent learners rather than depending on others. Like children with autism, ADHD, children who have speech impairment, have a lot of problems, and the parents are not able to bring them out or show them as their children. They feel a little insulted about their children. They also fear the society, which we should come out of it. And the final one is bhakti. When we develop respect towards these people, I think we have achieved whatever we want to achieve. That's the reason we have actually initiated this program Saksham, and I am expecting it to be more successful. Thank you so much, and I extend my invitation to all of you who are watching this particular program to be a part of Saksham, which is on May 31st at Pallavi Model School, Tirmalgiri. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. My name is Vasundhara, and I am the head of the Research and Resource Center for DPS in Pallavi Group of Schools. Today we are here at this Vivekananda Institute for Higher Education for a session with the Swamijis here on building value systems in schools. So it has been a very exciting session. We have learned about a lot of values which can be incorporated within our curriculum. The idea is that the society and technology is running at a very fast pace. We don't know what the tomorrow is going to look like. We don't know what jobs are going to be replaced, what jobs are going to be created. But what we know is that tomorrow's society requires citizens with a lot of value systems, because that is something that AI can never replace. So how do we build these value systems is to inculcate them in children right from when they're young. And we are here today to learn those value systems so that we incorporate it in our lives and be an example for our children. So what has been very exciting here is, amongst the many values that we have learned, we have also learned about being fearless. And I think that is very personal to me, because all of us have some fear of something or the other. And even right from children, fear of talking to teachers, fear of exams, fear of being teased. There's a lot of fear around. So today we have learned about how do we actually make the children fearless. How can teachers build self-belief in the children? How can the teachers actually help the children to grow up to be more confident individuals who trust themselves, who respect themselves, and who are confident? And we have had a breakout activity as well in groups, a presentation. We have had a lot of groups presenting their thoughts. It has been an exciting and a very, very informative session today.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gagan. I am the principal of Pallavi International School, Singapore Township. Since past 1.5 years, I am associated with Nurturing Character project in VIHE, and today is the culmination day of this project. Through this project, we have actually tried to imbibe values in our students. Nowadays, it is much more important that values should be inculcated in our students rather than academics, so that they can survive anywhere in the world.
నమస్తే, ఇలాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ రెగ్యులర్గా జరుగుతుంటాయి ఈ ప్రమిసెస్లో. నా పేరు బిఎస్ఎన్ మూర్తి అండి. నేను ఐఎమ్ ఏ సీనియర్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఇన్ వివేకానంద ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమన్ ఎక్సలెన్స్, ఇక్కడ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ రామకృష్ణ మఠ్ హైదరాబాద్. ఈ రెగ్యులర్గా వీ కండక్ట్ దీస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఆన్ వాల్యూస్. ఇక్కడ జనరల్గా ఏంటంటే ఈ డిపార్ట్మెంట్నే దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ వివేకానంద ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమన్ ఎక్సలెన్స్. హ్యూమన్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ మీద మా ఫోకస్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. ఈ హ్యూమన్ ఎక్సలెన్స్లో ఏంటంటే వీ టేక్ డిఫరెంట్ పీపుల్ ఫ్రమ్ డిఫరెంట్ వాక్స్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్. వీ కండక్ట్ టీచర్ కన్వెన్షన్స్ హియర్, వీ కండక్ట్ అడ్వకేట్ కన్వెన్షన్స్. ఇక్కడ చాలా రకాల ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ప్రొఫెషన్స్ యొక్క కన్వెన్షన్స్ జరుగుతుంది అనమాట. ఇవాళ ప్రత్యేకంగా ఇక్కడ జరిగింది ఏంటంటే ఢిల్లీ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్ దాదాపుగా 9-10 బ్రాంచుల నుంచి, తర్వాత మన పల్లవి మోడల్ స్కూల్ వాళ్ళందరూ ఇక్కడ రావడం జరిగింది. దాదాపు 160 టీచర్స్ వచ్చున్నారు ఇక్కడ, బోత్ మేల్ అండ్ ఫీమేల్. వీళ్ళకి వాల్యూస్ అని, ఇది యాక్చువల్గా థర్డ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ విచ్ ఇస్ బీయింగ్ కండక్టెడ్ లాస్ట్ 1.5 yearలో. ది థర్డ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ వీఆర్ కండక్టింగ్. ఇవాళ మేము కండక్ట్ చేసిన ఏంటంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ 4 వాల్యూస్ అనమాట. ఈ శ్రద్ధ, జిజ్ఞాస, భక్తి అలా 4 వాల్యూస్ తీసుకొని ఆ 4 వాల్యూస్ మీద 4 ఫ్యాకల్టీస్ డీటెయిల్డ్గా వెళ్ళారు వాళ్ళకి. ఈ జనరల్గా లెక్చర్ మెథడ్ కాకుండా వీ హ్యావ్ గోన్ ఇన్ టు ఎక్స్పీరియన్షియల్ లెర్నింగ్. వాళ్ళకి కేస్ స్టడీస్ కానివ్వండి, డిఫరెంట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్లో వాళ్ళని ఇన్వాల్వ్ చేసి ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇన్ డెప్త్ అబౌట్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వాల్యూ అనమాట. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్సర్సైజ్ డన్ హియర్. So, and all the feedback that we got at the end is, they're taking home a lot of things which they can implement in the classroom from tomorrow onwards when the schools reopen. That is more important. Our cultural ethos, మన ఇండియన్ ethos అన్నీ కూడా మనకి ఇంకా స్ప్రెడ్ కావాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో మనం ఈ పర్టికులర్ దీన్ని చేయడం జరుగుతుంది.
Nurturing character for an ignited future. This is the third phase of integrating 10 different values from our own ethics, epics, and our own culture into the education system. This journey started 1.5 years ago, and this was an answer to the survey that we have done, occupational well-being of all the teachers. And we have identified that all the teachers, they do require some kind of a work-life balance, and they are emotionally disturbed. So from there on started that we have to integrate some kind of secular value into the lives of our teachers, which in turn will be exhibited inside the classrooms. So this journey started with Shama, Dama, Dana, and then it continued. We did not just take it like a study alone. We have ensured that that is implemented in the classrooms. So even we have given how to prepare a lesson plan and what are the various things that we have to do, and how we have achieved by the end of first phase. Did we achieve anything? How many of us could actually translate it in the classrooms through their subjects, and at the same time in their own personal life also? Because this is the well-being that is being envisaged by our management under the leadership of Shri M. Kumaraya, our chairman. So it is always, the well-being of a teacher is always considered as the utmost important thing in the field of education in our educational institutions. So the second phase also has envisaged another 4 values, and now we again took a feedback from the teachers as to how they have implemented in their classrooms. What I have noticed is most of the principals and most of the teachers, they have incorporated these values in their own subject matter, either English, maths, science, or social sciences. And some of the teachers who came from the art department, I found that they have started implementing in the art methodology also. So that gave me an inspiration, and this third phase is the last phase of integrating these values. Why these values? It is to build up a character in a human being. Swami Vivekananda very clearly states that it is the human character that has to be built and should be manifested. And that character, through these values, in collaboration with Vivekananda Institute of Human Excellence under the guidance of Adhyaksha Maharaj Ji Swami Bodhmayananda and his disciples, we have been working relentlessly. How far does it reach the child through the teacher is what we are measuring ourselves. Ultimately, our aim and goal is not only should the teacher be well balanced with a ignited character in herself, but also should be able to translate it in the classroom and implement it in their subjects, thus expecting a dynamic change in this VUCA world. We know pretty well that there are so many disturbances that are happening all over the world, but we as Indians stand distinctly and differently, and our educational institutions stand as an example to all the other educational leaders and want to ensure that there is a human character that is essential for the futuristic society. Thank you.
ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ద్వారా మీరు ఏం నేర్చుకున్నారు ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. నా పేరు శ్రీలత చెన్నప్రగడ. నేను ప్రిన్సిపల్ పల్లవి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ కీసరా. ఈరోజు 25th April 2025. ప్రస్తుతానికి మనం ఇక్కడ పల్లవి గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ స్కూల్స్ అండ్ డిపిఎస్ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ స్కూల్స్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్, వైస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్, హెచ్ఎమ్స్, చాలామంది టీచర్స్, అరౌండ్ 150 ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఆఫ్ డిపిఎస్ అండ్ పల్లవి గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ స్కూల్స్ ఇక్కడ గ్యాదర్ అయ్యారు. ఈ ప్లేస్ మీరు చూస్తే కనుక మీకు హైదరాబాద్లో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మోస్ట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్లేసెస్ ఇది రామకృష్ణ మఠం అండి. అండ్ వివేకానంద ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమన్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ ఇక్కడ నడిపిస్తున్నారు రామకృష్ణ మఠం వాళ్ళు. సో దానిలో భాగంగా ఈరోజు మా అందరికీ 150 ఫ్యాకల్టీకి నర్చరింగ్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఫర్ ఇగ్నైటెడ్ ఫ్యూచర్ అనే ఒక వర్క్షాప్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ వర్క్షాప్ జరుగుతుంది. ఇది 3rd సీక్వెల్ అండి. సో ఈ రోజుతోటి మనకు వర్క్షాప్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. ఈ వర్క్షాప్లో ఏంటంటే మనకి టీచర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా 12 హ్యూమన్ వాల్యూస్ని కరికులంలో ఎలా ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయాలి. ప్రపంచం అంతా రకరకాలుగా వరల్డ్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ డైరెక్షన్స్. మన కోర్ వాల్యూస్ని, మన ఇండియన్ ఈథాస్ని ఎలాగ మర్జ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఈ 12 వాల్యూస్ని మీరు ఇంకా మన వేరే ప్రిన్సిపల్స్, మన అకాడమిక్ డైరెక్టర్స్ అందరూ మాట్లాడతారు. వాళ్ళు మీకు చెప్తారు ఈ 12 క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఏంటి అనేది, వాల్యూస్ ఏంటి అనేది. ఈ 12 వాల్యూస్ని మనం ఇండియన్ ఈథాస్ని లైనప్ చేసుకుంటూ కరికులంలో ఎలాగ ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయాలి అనేది మా ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం.
Vanaja, principal of Akshara Vagdevi International School, which is associated with RGR Siddhanti Group of Colleges in collaboration with Pallavi Group of Schools under able leadership of Kumaraya sir. Today we are here. I think this is our 3rd session. Got a very good opportunity to get inducted with Acharya ji, Bodhmayananda ji, and with a team of teachers. Values are not to be preached. I think it has to be practiced, and these values will help us or will let us know where we are and how we have to be. So we in the noble profession, we feel we have to be principled enough, and we have to be lead by examples to our teachers, our students, and next coming up layers, and inculcate in day-to-day life. So when we live up or when we become lead by examples, I think the next layer or the students will look at us and they will learn us. So need not preach them, it is to just inculcate on day-to-day life. So it's for us, it's too enriching away from our regular mundane work, and we get to meet other principals of different schools and teachers also. Every time whenever we come here, lot of takeaways we take it. And if we come to our schools, we have already inculcated with the motivation and influence of Ramakrishna Math into our regular school almanac. In school almanac also, all 7 values are inculcated in a secular way. And then in our regular day-to-day important days, SDG goals, we preach them, we remind them. And I being principal and working president of Telangana Scout Guide Fellowship, we collaborate with every activity what we do. so that the next generation is ready for unknown future and to face the competitive world. Thank you. Have a good day.